Robert Burnhouse Caravans here, just taking you through another new caravan. So this is the 2024 Swift Challenger 650 SE. So as you may have seen from the outside shots, this is a twin axle caravan, so around about 8 metres in length, and it's effectively an elongated version of the 560. So central washroom, rear bedroom layout, and being an SE spec you get quite a lot of extras here and there. I'll take you through the caravan, show you a few of the spec features, layout, and talk about the offer we're running this September. So as ever, this is the starting point, so the lounge at the front here. So being a little bit longer, you do get slightly longer seating, parallel seat lounge. It goes into a double bed. You've got your chest here, and you can see the sensor here just for the alarm. On the front shelf you've got a socket one side, USBs on the other, and all the spotlights have individual USBs as well for your charging needs. Plenty of storage above, and then you've got your Bluetooth enabled stereo there, so if you've got Spotify or something on your phone you can stream music to it. And then next to that you've got your touchscreen panel for your 12 volt lighting, power, etc. And then you've got your ALDE panel there for the heating, and below that you've got your TV station right there, so you've got your sat point, TV point, and some plug sockets. Next to that you've got some storage and your taller fridge, which can be opened from either side. Your table storage in that locker there, and then opposite that you've got the kitchen, so you've got a plateless microwave, splashback, stainless steel sink, plenty of storage underneath there as well, dual fuel hob, grill, oven, etc. And then above all that you've got an omni-vent extractor. So it's a nice warm day like it is today, you can use that as a fan, bring some cold air in, or colder air I should say. You've got your Hecky, your sunroof there as well, plenty of natural light in this caravan. Speaking of which, we'll go through to the washroom. See me in a mirror just a moment. Hello. So you've got a big Hecky over the washroom, and then being the twin axle layout, this is laid out slightly different. So you've got the sink off to the side here, nice big mirror there, storage. And then you've got some more storage there, and just another surface for whatever you need to use it for. Then you've got your shower cubicle there, and then onto the bedroom. So again, plenty of storage in here. You've got wardrobes either side, spotlights with their USB sockets, full length headboard there. Storage under the bed, that's where your spare wheel lives, and that's outside accessible as well, so nice and convenient for that. And you've got a point there to mount a TV mount, if I can actually get the words out. So moving through to the front again, basically we're running this offer until the end of September, so 1st of October it ends. Effectively we're taking £4,000 off the original screen price of this, and we're also including a half price all-wheel drive mover, so effectively you've got savings of over £5,000 over the original cost with that option. Like I say, that ends at the very end of September, and this is the last 650 that we have. So make sure you take advantage of it. Get in touch with us through admin@hallecaravans.co.uk, or give us a call on 01560 484 859, or just drop into the branch, speak to myself or Audrey. We can take you through finance options, look at your part exchange, etc., answer any questions you might have. So we look forward to seeing you, and once again, thank you for watching.